Hi guys, good evening and thank you for watching English Carabao. And ayun, so pasensya na sa boses ko kasi nga I'm really so tired today. I just actually woke up kasi nga this morning we went to the beach tapos nag-apply kami sa mga mall kasama ng mga visit visa na kasama ko rito sa building namin. So yun, and well, eto, I'm actually preparing now my vlog. Ayan, I already created a vlog for all Pinoys here in Dubai, or this vlog is actually for all Filipinos all over the world, not only just for Filipinos in the Philippines, but no, for everyone, for all Pinoy. But then yung vlog ko kasi focuses more on Filipino life as an expat dito nga sa Dubai. So yun, and well, the reason why I have this vlog tonight is because I just like to let you all know, guys, that it is still, you know, it's like a good news na talagang meron pa ring work dito sa Dubai. Okay? And kasi nga, most of my followers from YouTube na naging friend ko sa Facebook, kasi nga, not all of my followers are, you know, adding me as friend in Facebook. And most of them right now, guys, has job na. Okay? I'm really so happy for that. And yun, so ibig sabihin, if you still have a plan of going here in Dubai and work, you know, via visit visa, well, you still have a chance, guys. Maraming work, okay? I have 2 videos in YouTube where I'm with RJ. We applied in somewhere in Sharjah and also here in Dubai. Natatanggap siya sa work, and then yun nga lang, of course, he's what do you call this? He's choosing a best job for him, yung with better offer, yung location ng job should not be so far away from the house, you know, from the place where, of course, kung saan ka nakatira. But of course, makatipid ka, diba? And also today, or this afternoon, I'm also with Hernan. We also went to the mall, kasi nga his, yung job kasi na gusto niyang applyan is F&B or sales. So, only just this afternoon, we went to the mall. Ayun, you know, there are some initial interview na nangyari. Some company already called him for interview tomorrow. And then meron din kaming mga shop na nadaanan where they have a walk-in interview on Saturday. And yun, so ibig sabihin, there are still other, no, there's actually a lot of job opening here right now in Dubai. Okay, so sa mga interesado pa rin pumunta rito sa Dubai, come on guys. Wala na kayong dapat ikakaba, okay? And with regards to immigration, kasi I know most of people wanted me to talk about immigration. So far, sa totoo lang, medyo a little strict na nga yung immigration natin sa Philippines is because talagang gusto nila kamag-anak yung nag-sponsor. But then, there are still some Filipinos na nandito na sa Dubai ngayon na hindi rin naman ini-sponsor ng parents nila, hindi rin ini-sponsor ng kapatid nila. Some are just sponsored by yung tawag nito? Asawa ng kapatid. Bayaw, yon. Meron naman kamag-anak lang, cousins. Pwede yon. And I think ko kasi, you don't have to worry about our immigration in the Philippines. Kasi nga, of course, in the first place, you're going here in Dubai as tourist, diba? Kaya nga kayo nag-visit visa. And wala kayong dapat ikakaba kung naghigpit man ang immigration. Kasi I think, tingin ko lang, I think, that is only just for our own safety. Our government wanted us na, baka mamaya, pumunta lang tayo sa Dubai at alam mo, mapariwara lang buhay natin doon. So, I think that's the only reason why Philippine immigration are becoming a little strict right now. Although alam ko na, di ba, may mga kumakalat ng mga balita na ilang immigration officer natin ay mukhang pinipirahan na yung mga Pinoy. Kawawa naman, visit visa yung mga yan. Di ba? Hindi sila, alam mo yun, hindi sila mapera para hututan. So sana wag na sanang ganun. Kawawa naman sila. Okay, and ito yung tip ko sa inyo, okay? If ever, ang dami ko na nakausap, this is also coming from my personal experience, and then marami din ako nakausap na mga nag-visit visa dito sa Dubai, na there are times, guys, where they were denied by some Philippine immigration officers na nag-visit visa sila and yet they were denied. Pag sinabi naman natin denied, hindi naman tatatakan yung papeles mo na you are denied, okay? Kundi, pumila kayo sa immigration officer kasi maraming booth yon. So, pag pila nyo sa una and that immigration officer denied you, well, tip lang. Pila ka sa kabilang linya. Kasi what happened to me is ganon. Unang pila ko, sabi, anong gagawin mo sa Dubai? Sabi ko, bakasyon. Sabi niya, ang Dubai daw ay hindi lugar para magbakasyon. Hindi daw lugar bakasyonan. Okay, so hindi ako tinanggap. Pumila ako sa kabila. Tinanong ako, anong gagawin mo sa Dubai? Sabi ko, I will try my luck. Try ko maghahanap ng trabaho doon. Sana swertihin. Ayun. Pinalusot ako ng immigration officer. And that same story, alam mo yun, na-experience na ng ibang Pinoy na nag-visit visa. So, ganun lang. Alam mo yun, yung wala naman dapat talaga ikakabay. But then, of course, if it's really your kapatid, sometimes, ito based on their experience, mga nag-visit visa dito, hinahanap yung birth certificate ng kapatid mo, kung talagang kapatid mo siya, something ganyan. Pero mga minor lang yun, hindi ganun, madalas na ganun ang senaryo. Okay? And, ayun guys, there is this one comment I wanted to answer kasi nga there are some comments dati na nag-send sa akin ng personal message na I should stop, encouraging Filipinos na mag-visit visa sa Dubai. Kasi nga, of course, wala nga yung assurance of job. Well, guys, ever since when I started making videos for Filipino expats or for Filipino na nag-visit visa sa Dubai, I'm not encouraging everyone na pumunta rito as visit visa. Okay? Ang tanging layunin ko lang for the videos I'm uploading in YouTube is I'm just giving them some tips, some, suggestions, ideas, warnings, and motivations for those Filipinos na nagbi-visit visa. Di ba kasi, for sure, ang Pinoy kasi ganito yun pag wala pang plano mag-abroad, wala silang idea about Dubai, okay? But then, once there's a chance na mag-visit visa na sila, that's the time na magre-research sila sa internet, or minsan, mahagilap nila yung video ko sa YouTube. At yun, doon nila mapapanood na ano bang itsura ng Dubai, ano ba yung don'ts and do's sa Dubai, ano bang dapat iwasan, paano ba ang buhay Pilipino doon, diba? May mga Filipino restaurants pa doon, may mga Filipino food ba doon, meron bang baboy doon, paano bang kasuotan ng mga Pilipino doon, alam mo yun, uso rin ba ang kapitbahay doon, kapitbahay system, mga tipong ganon. So yun yung tanging reasons why I have videos in YouTube like this, okay? So, yun. But then guys, even in some of my videos, I also recommend na talagang if possible, it is better guys that you come here in Dubai as employment visa. Okay? So yun nga lang, of course, since I am a visit visa kasi, na dumating dito, so I have this, love to these Filipinos na nagvi-visit visa. And I really understand how hard it is na mag-visit visa ka. Kasi, you wouldn't know kung may makukuha bang work or not. Kaya nga, I understand yung ganong situation. That's why I'm here in YouTube making videos para matulungan ko tong mga to. And yung tulong na ginagawa ko, hindi ako naghahangad ng kapalit, okay? I just want everyone to be okay and become, maging successful naman yung pagpunta nila sa abroad. Especially doon sa mga first-timers. So yun lang guys, ayan, mahaba na naman ang sinabi ko today. But then, yun, I would like to say hi to all of you guys na naging friend ko na sa Facebook. To all Filipinos na nag-visit visa sa Dubai, na hired na, alam mo yun, still applying for now. Until now, good luck sa inyong lahat. For sure. And I'm definitely sure may mahanap kayong work. So, yun na po. God bless everyone. Ciao!